Today I'm cooking clear tom yum fish soup or white tom yum fish soup. In Thai, it is known as Tom Som Broth. It is sour, spicy, and a perfect appetizing dish for the coming cool weather. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. Start with marinating 260 grams of fish fillet with 1/4 tablespoon salt. Sprinkle it all over the fish. Gently rub them evenly and turn them over. I am using blackish water fish. Any white flesh fish will work for this recipe. Sprinkle a little more salt, rubbing to ensure it is well marinated. Alright, put them aside. Put a pot on the stove and switch on the heat to medium-low. Add in 50 grams of lightly crushed shallots, 25 grams of mixed red and green bird eye chilies cut into half vertically, 30 grams of young galangal sliced thinly. If unavailable, you can use sliced old galangal. 45 grams of peeled and crushed garlic, 2 stalks of smashed lemongrass, 3 cilantro roots, and 6 pieces of kaffir lime leaves torn into small pieces. Spread them around the pot, toasting them for about 3 minutes, or until slightly charred and super fragrant. Stir every now and then to toast evenly. When they are very fragrant, add 800 ml of chicken stock or plain water. Give it a light stir. Add 30 grams or 1 medium size of tomato wedges and the seasoning. 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 tablespoon of fish sauce. Stir to mix the seasoning evenly. Then cover the pot and let it cook for 2 minutes or until it comes to a rolling boil. Once the soup comes to a rolling boil, it smells so delicious. Carefully add the marinated fish. Do not stir the soup as it will make the soup smell and taste fishy. Then add 80 grams of fresh oyster mushroom, 100 grams of white shimaji mushroom, and 80 grams of cherry tomatoes for extra sweetness. Cover the pot and let it boil for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. The fish and mushroom should be cooked by now. Stir the clear tom yum fish soup gently to rotate the vegetable. Switch off the heat. Use a slightly bigger pot as this pot is too small, which causes the soup to almost overflow. Give it a taste. Delicious. More seasoning can be added if preferred. Next, add 20 grams of cut spring onion and parsley. I added 30 grams of sweet basil, which is a substitute for holly basil. Use holly basil if they are available. Stir again to push the leafy green into the soup, so they will soften by the time we are done. Break 6 pieces of deep fried chili for extra spice and sprinkle them around the pot. Add 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. Gently stirring until the sour flavor is well combined with the soup. And our clear tom yum fish soup is done. Remove it from the stove and serve with some rice. The fragrance of toasted herbs and citrus is very appetizing. Let's eat! Delicious! The fish is soft and tasty, going well with the sour and lightly spicy soup. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!